Hey guys, it's Matt Liz from Packey Webb Ford here. I'm going to show you today how to use the Ford Active Park Assist 2.0. So I'm here in the lot, as you can see here, and let's go find a parking spot together. All right, so we're here in the Packey Webb Ford lot, and we're going to start looking for a spot. So we're just going to make this turn here. And when we get here, we're going to start the search. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down here, and on my console, right here is the Active Park Assist button. I'm going to push that and it's going to open up here. And you can see it's looking for parallel parking, but that's not what we're doing. We're going to do perpendicular. So if I press it one more time, now it shows it's looking for perpendicular parking. So it wants me to use a turn signal. I want to look on the right side. So I'm going to activate my right blinker. And then I'm just going to slowly start moving forward while it scans for me. You'll see here, once I find a spot right after this blue fusion here, it should give me a notice that it's found a spot for me. So, as you can see by the instructions, asked me to stop, asked me to come down here, pop the shifter into neutral. Now once it's in neutral, all I have to do is release my foot from the brake and then push this park button one more time and hold it. So I'm going to press and hold it and let you watch the rest. All I have to do is hold it. You can see on the cameras what it's seeing. It's a little adjustment. And it's doing this all for you. All I'm doing is holding this button down. Now it's going to straighten us into that spot for us. Taking into account all of our surroundings for us. And then we're there. Once we're there, it auto shifts the shifter back into park, and we're ready to go.